as you can see right now, my hair is really bushy and frizzy and dry, and my color is just not looking really good. It's very dull. So I am going to be using the Nutree Professional Brazilian Bondox Expert. This is described as a thermo multi-control mask for anti-frizz, hydration, reconstruction, and it has marine collagen, glutamic acid, and almond oil in it. First impression of the product, it smells really good. It actually smells like the pink bubble gum, you know, like the, I think it was called like, you know, like the little pink like round bubble gums that you get in the like the yellow and pink wrapper, I think. So this actually smells really, really good, and I'm not just saying that, it smells really, really good. After washing the hair with any deep cleansing shampoo, apply the Brazilian Bondox Expert in the hair, leave the product in the hair for 30 to 40 minutes, rinse, brush the hair with the blow dryer after, flat iron the hair in thin and linear strands. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. It is definitely time for a wash. You can tell that my hair is just kind of stiff. It doesn't have the same body that it had before, and it's honestly not really holding curls very well. I sprayed some oil sheen in it a couple days ago, and it just kind of made it very stiff and oily, and we can't have that. So I'm about to go ahead and wash my hair, and then I will be back to apply this. Going to bring this stiff hair back to life, so I'll be back after I wash my hair so you guys can see me actually apply this product, and then we'll go through the whole styling process as well. Okay, so I'm back from washing my hair, and so excuse this, top broke off, but I used this Cantu Shea Butter shampoo, and it's sulfate free, a cleansing cream shampoo, and as you can see it was only $5.99. I don't know if you can see. That was only $5.99, and this actually smells really good too. So this is for natural hair. I also used the sulfate free hydrating cream conditioner, which was also $5.99. So both of these are by Cantu Shea Butter, and they're both for natural hair. So now I have my hair smelling really good. It's nice and clean. There was so much dirt and oil and that came off, so my hair feels really good. It's not tangled or anything like that because this conditioner is pretty good. But now it's time for me to go in with the Nutree Professional Bondox Expert. I'm just going to apply this, and then I'm going to comb it through with this big comb. I'm just gonna put this plastic cap, and you can get these from any beauty supply store. I'm just gonna put this plastic cap over it just to lock everything in, and then it's 220. So I'll be back in about 40 minutes, and yeah, then I'll wash it out and we can get to the styling part, which is the best part, honestly. Okay, so I am back. It is now 3:03, I think, and so I have let this sit on for a little, just about 40 minutes. So this is what it's looking like right now. Not looking like much, but it feels really good. I mean, the product is still up here, but it feels good, and it's not tangled at all, and it doesn't seem quite as heavy as it did when I first put the product on. So now I'm about to go ahead and wash this out so we can get to the styling portion. So I will be back again. All right, so I'm back from washing that Botox treatment out of my hair, and so now I am about to plug in the blow dryer and get to the good part. Let's see how that turned out on my hair. Let's see if it makes a difference when I go in to style it. I'm ready to go in with my wand curls, and I'm just brushing it out right now because it curls better when it is detangled. This is a wand curler that I've had for a long time, since I was in college. It's by Conair, and it was actually like a breast cancer edition kind of wand, although it's purplish, but regardless. And so I just turn it all the way up to 400 degrees, and that's how I wand curl my hair. And when you do it on a setting of 400 like that, you don't have to hold it very long. Alright, so I finally got all of that hair curled up, honey. It took a long time. Now that we're all curled up, I'm just going to, like I said, I kept the curls all separated. I didn't like run my fingers through it or anything yet, but I am going to spray some of this HairCare oil sheen. HairCare has really good hair products as well, and so I'm just going to spray some of this oil sheen just to get rid of, give it some shine, and so it's not so bushy. And I'm just gonna take that big comb that I combed my treatment on with, and I'm just gonna comb it out. Yeah, my color, as you can see, the color looks healthier and more vibrant, and we're doing good. So yeah, and that's pretty much it.